Warm weather is here and summer's on the way, which means strawberries are in season. Let's work on a few recipes together. First things first, before we even jump in, you need to wash your produce. That means that your strawberries absolutely need a bath.
Nasty.
After giving your berries their much needed bath, you're gonna go ahead and dice and slice them exactly how you like them. If you want them bigger, that's fine. If you want them smaller, that's fine. Whatever works, just get them prepped.
It's your business. And that's their business.
Now this ice cream is super simple to make. I've made something similar for cookouts and it's been gone in seconds. So you're gonna start out with your heavy whipping cream and whipping until stiff peaks form. You're gonna add in your base ingredients as well as your sweetened condensed milk, fold it in, and then add in all of your add-ins. This includes our strawberry jam, our white chocolate, and our pound cake. Next, we're gonna move on to our strawberry sweet rolls, which is my personal favorite. Start by mixing your dry ingredients, then add in your wet ingredients to form your dough ball. You wanna make sure to knead this for at least 5 minutes before placing it in an oiled bowl and allowing it to proof. After allowing your dough to proof, you're gonna roll out your dough on a floured surface, and I try and get it into a rectangle so that's easier to cut up. Then you want to add in your jam. Don't do too much like me. Then you're going to cut this into strips, roll them, and add it to your pan. While your sweet rolls are baking, we're going to work on our icing, which is just a combination of cream cheese, sugar, and some of that strawberry jam. After your rolls have cooled, you can add your icing all over your rolls. I like to try and get in between as well while they're still kind of warm. If you're looking for a refreshing drink to share with your friends and family over the summer, this is the lemonade recipe that you need to try. Okay guys, so we are about to get started with our lemonade. I will be making our syrups from scratch. You are more than welcome to go to the store and get something pre-made, but I'm going to be making this from scratch. So we are going to start with our lemon peel. So when we're making our lemonade, we want to be able to use every part of the lemon if we can help it. We're gonna start by making our citrus syrup, which is just gonna use our peels. I did go ahead and wash these off, and we're gonna add them into our pot. We're also gonna add in 1 cup of sugar with the lemon peels. We're gonna add in 4 cups of water. We're gonna mix this just to start to get the sugar to dissolve a little bit before adding it to our heat. And then we're gonna set this to the side. Next, we're gonna work on our strawberry syrup. I'm gonna use 1 whole cup of our sliced strawberries and add that to our pot. Then I'm going to add in 1 cup of sugar to this as well. After making our puree and our syrups, we're gonna go ahead and assemble by adding in our strawberry puree, our lemon juice, our citrus syrup, water, and a pinch more sugar. You can adjust the water and the sugar to your taste, and you can serve this over ice. Or if you'd like a sparkling option, you can add a flavored sparkling water. This time I use white grape. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want the full recipes and instructions, head over to my Etsy, where you're able to purchase all 3. The link to my Etsy shop can be found in the description, and the strawberry lemonade recipe will be included in the description as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.